So, Paul, did it annoy you a little bit how your team played today in comparison to how they played against Holyhead last week?
It's very frustrating, isn't it?
Because that was just the second half, very unplayable, to be honest.
Yeah, we made a few changes. We set out in one pattern of play, and then we changed it at half time, very much the same as what we did against Holywell. Played a box midfield first half because we wanted to swap that midfield and stop them from getting out wide, which is what we did. Yeah, in answer to your question, it's very frustrating, and I think I mentioned it when we was at Holyhead about the games and the points that we've just squandered this season. But it's all part of the building process and the learning, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know.
To be fair, so our festive fixtures, which I put out at the start of December, we've had 5 games in total. Obviously, the one in the New Year.
Yeah.
Won 4, lost 1.
Yeah.
Which I think you probably would have taken that at the start of December.
Well, when you think who it's against, Buckley away.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, they're top of the league.
Yeah, no at home who haven't lost a single game. So, it's lovely. It's really good to see that we've turned a 1-0 deficit away, around from half time. And again, Demes has come off the bench and made an impact. So has Ben Lawrence. Yeah. Obviously, we had to make those changes at half time because poor Dan Wood was getting demolished really on that right hand side. And once he got his booking, it was a no-brainer. And he's played really well. He's done really well. I'm not going to take anything away from the lad there. He has done well at right back. He's
They've got a good lad on that left side though. He's Aidan Higgins on the left hand side.
He's a good player. He's a good player. And so we had to make those changes. And obviously, James has come off. Just didn't feel that we were impacting the game enough. And Morgan and Jack always felt that there was going to be a chance or a goal, and same with Archie. So putting Demes on up there, and then obviously Ben, and changing back to a 4-3-3 made a big difference. And I got a little whisper from my lad, just to sort of like, he was in the stands and he'd sort of like come down and. It was good info. We were having a little bit of a chat with that.
Someone else watching it a little bit.
Yeah, which helped. And then obviously there was a few changes that we made, certainly from half time, changing the formation, changing with Demes, who impacted the game. And I thought we were unlucky with the chance that Jack had. I think if he'd come onto his right foot, he would have had a better chance of scoring. But he shot with his left and he's blocked it. But nothing against the boys in that second half. First half, we should have been outside. I really do think that, had they have had Bennett on maybe, or, a bit more, there could have been more chances for them to take the game away from us in the first half. But we stood firm. And we had said to the lads, stay in the game. 75 minutes. You never know what's going to happen. And, we've gone and scored the equaliser. Archie's gone and put one, which I thought was going to bobble the other side. It's always gone against us, that sort of thing, and it's hit the post and gone in. And then Jack's finished one, which he deserved, because I thought Jack was excellent today. And
the way he comes off and just finds that little pocket of space.
Yeah, he's good at it, isn't it? He is very good at it. But, Alex has pulled off some very good saves, point blank saves, first half and second half.
Alex, to be fair, was our independent solutions man of the match.
Yeah,
as well today, which I think is fair, isn't it?
Yeah. And again, Rocco, I thought, worked his socks off in the middle of the park. So, they were the two standouts. I've said that to the lads in the dressing room. But you know what? We've battled there in that second half. We've played football, which is what we can, and we've outplayed the league leaders in that second half, and we deserved to win in the second half. And just had a chat with Jordan there, and he was the same. So, we go into January now, and we're bringing a couple of players in, which I'm really excited about, and I'm sure the supporters will be very excited about. The lads that are coming in. And there's 1 or 2 lads that we are hopeful to talk to and bring across the line. So, we're looking good, Ryan. I'm happy where we are. Just need us to be a little bit more controlled and
consistent, isn't it?
And be consistent. I think that's the word.
Yeah. I presume training this week ahead of Brickfield.
So we'll probably train on Tuesday night, and then we're back on the AstroTurf on Thursday. So I think it's important that we have 2 training sessions this week, potentially, to get ourselves ready for Brickfield, because that's not going to be an easy game. They're doing well at home, especially. Yeah. So we need to get ourselves ready for that, and then we're getting closer to the first quarter final, which will be Gillsfield at home.
Building up towards that.
Yeah, building up towards that. So yeah, it'd be nice to get a couple of new faces in through the door before we play Brickfield. We've got, what is it, 9 days?
Yeah.
9 days to get them over the line. So yeah, that'd be good. And overall, I'm quite happy where we're at.
And then the final one, that atmosphere at the end.
Fantastic.
It's as if we win the league, and it's not. But we've got to be delighted when you pull a second half performance like that.
Yeah, I mean, we did it when we was at Buckley. We snatched the game from the deaf, didn't we? And they were, ecstatic about that. But you know what? Today was a derby game. It's their first defeat of the season, and yeah, of course we have. If you can't enjoy those moments, well, what's the point? We're not going to win the league. They're probably going to win the league, and we're the first team to beat them. So, I don't care. At the end of the day, let the lads enjoy it. Yeah. We'll knuckle down now.
Tom's light show again as well.
Tom's light show, yeah. Tom's light show. But I think the support was fantastic. Again, we say it, every week. It's just a fantastic place to play football. We're making it a difficult place for anyone to come here, which is good and it's important because we've got 2 quarterfinals to play here this month. So I'm glad again for the support because obviously it's start of the new year. We've had the celebrations for New Year's Eve and they've come today. They've enjoyed a good game of football between 2 good sides, and their team, Rhyl have come on top, and we've just got to now prepare and get ourselves ready for the next
momentum, isn't it? Just carry on.
It's all building, isn't it? But we said this. This is what we've planned. We wanted to build the club. It wasn't gonna be an easy fix. We weren't going to go from winning the league tier 3 to winning tier 2 straight away. Yeah, it does happen, but it was never going to be an easy thing. It's a competitive league. We are where we are. We're enjoying it, and we're learning along the way.